Alright guys, so we're kind of showing you how we test our devices. We use this software right here to test about 35 different points. It pulls up the IMEI number of the phone and starts testing. Alright, so I'll show you what goes through. So the device will want to test your microphone, and it may be hard to hear through the camera, but it plays the loudspeaker first, the lower speaker, and then just verify that that's working. It'll next test the top speaker, verify that that's working. And now there's a phone speaker. I can hear it. Sometimes you have to put your ear up to hear, but that is working, so we'll test that out. Next it does the microphone. So there's 3 mics on the phone. It tests them all, the bottom mic, the front mic, and the top mic. So just verify that all 3 worked. Then we do an actual microphone test, and I'm recording right now. Actual microphone test, and I'm recording right now. So it'll play back, obviously, if it did correctly record. Next, our software will test the camera. So as you can see, the camera does in fact work. And then it will test out the front-facing camera. So that's just a video of our ceiling. Alright, now it does the flash. So it touches the screen, and the flash should cut on. Maybe hard to see, but that flash is definitely working. So we'll verify that that's working. Next we do the multi-touch test. So it'll test for 2 fingers, 3 fingers, and 4 fingers, just to make sure that multi-touch works. And there's a 3D touch test, which measures the 3D touch of the screen. So if I'm barely tapping it to a full tap, it measures the actual pressure used. Then we do a full touch functionality. So all of these little square bars will obviously change color if the touch is working. Next we'll check for screen burn on a white screen. So basically I'm just checking the top, sides, left, right to see if there's any burn on this device, and this looks good. Next it is going to do a pinch test. So like pinch in, pinch out. Tested that out, and that passed obviously. We do a full button test. So the volume up, volume down, and the mute silent ringer switch. It tests out the Wi-Fi, as well as internet, Bluetooth, GPS, and SIM card slot. Does that really quickly. Now there's the auto brightness test, which it's not going to change obviously with the lights on in here. So let's see if it works with the lights off. Go ahead and turn the lights off, Lee. So as you can see right now, the screen brightness is 35. It should start dimming. Sometimes it takes a few seconds or a moment to dim. Sometimes we can go out. Now see, it's dropping. Might be hard to see, but it is dropping to 28, 27, 26, 24, 23, 22. So the ambient light sensor is working on this device. You can go ahead and turn the light back on. Alright, so we'll pass that. Alright, it tests the gyroscope, the proximity sensor, and the pressure. So typically I have to put this up to my ear, but we'll just do that. Let's redo that because the gyroscope has to actually move. So let's do this and then block it with our ear or our hand just to make the proximity go out. So that time the gyroscope should pass because it actually has to feel the device move. And then it checks the USB port, and the battery is checked, as well as a software update. Once that's done, we get a full report of what was passed on your device before we sell it. And so it'll show a full pass of everything. Our reporting will also show the battery health. If your battery doesn't pass at least a 3.5, we will replace the battery typically. So this battery is actually above average. And it shows the actual cycle count, the charge capacity, basically everything you need to know how your device is doing and making sure it passes. So all of the devices on our website will pass this full functionality test. Every single piece right here will be a pass for it to be sold. Alright, well that's how we test devices at injuredgadgets.com. Check us out.